I was going to say. Yes. I was sitting on my bed, jumping up and down, saying, yes, I want to do that. And then they asked, so do you have a song? Yeah, I do have a song. They said, is it upbeat? And I said, it is. It's definitely upbeat. Just right for a football game. And they said, does it talk about Hawaii? Yeah, it does. They said, is it in English or is it in Hawaiian? I'm thinking, okay, it's national. I should say it's in English. Took a chance, I said, it's in English. And they said, perfect, that's exactly what we were looking for. Is it 2 minutes and 28 seconds long? Oh my stars, it is. So she said, okay, 2-3 weeks, can you send it to us through email? No problem, thank you so much. Hung up the phone, I had no song. So, I thought, okay, I can write a song about football. I don't know much about football. I know they wear those tight pants. Right. Okay, but no. I know that there's a ball and they throw it back and forth and people chase each other. Like, I was getting nowhere. And with about a week and a half left, I found myself in church, praying to Heavenly Father, please Lord, I need a song. And truly and honestly, right in the middle of church, all of the words and the melody came like a flood, kind of like Noah. Yep, it was a flood. And I had to, I had to say sorry too, because church was going to be on Sunday at the Pro Bowl, so I had to tell him, I'm so sorry, I'm not going to be at church. But he blessed me with this song anyway, and yes, I think I can still go to heaven after singing. My mama taught me how to do the hula, to take it from the alley to and fro. She taught me right, you better hold on tight, 'cause I don't know how to take it slow. Like my grandma did down in Cisco, her arm was free because of her pain. 'Cause when she got down low, the winds were getting low, and nothing could stop me. I can love you, last graceful as a bird flying. I never see late on the air. Wanna go back to my little glass jackets down by the lake. 'Cause I'm the hula lady. My mama taught me what to do. I'm the hula lady. I wanna thrill you. I'm the hula lady. My mama taught me what to do. I'm the hula lady. Reminding all the songs. My mama taught me how to do the hula. She taught me how to bring it to your knees. 'Cause when I saw you sway, you became great. So I'm shaking out the clothes. Her eyes are high and she right through ya. My dance through the window, this girl. The name of ocean, the name of ocean. The sassy little hula. I love you, hula as graceful as the birds are flying. I'm your sweet lady, wanna move back to my little grass jackets down by the lake. 'Cause I'm the hula lady. My mama taught me what to do. I'm the hula lady. I'm gonna thrill you. I'm the hula lady. My mama taught me what to do. I'm the hula lady. Remind me for the song. To be mine before the song is through. That was my baby girl, Shanae. She's 15 years old and she attends Aya High School. And it thrills me to see her dance. So much so that I cannot look.